Hello everyone, welcome to your class. In this class, we will discuss the topic transitive and intransitive verbs. So you should understand this topic after knowing what are verbs. I hope you all are aware with it. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. इसी के बाद हम ये टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं एंड इन केस आपको वर्ब्स में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है यू कैन जस्ट स्क्रॉल डाउन माय वीडियोस यू विल गेट इट एंड देयर सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट भी मैंने उसमें क्लियर किया है. मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी, आप उसको चेक कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक टू द टॉपिक. व्हाट आर ट्रांजिटिव एंड intransitive? To understand this, we will first read few sentences. Read these sentences with me. My mother loves dancing. First of all, we should identify what are verbs. इसमें इस sentence में verb क्या है? The verb is loves. This is action word. Loves dancing, and this is the object, right? This is verb and this is object. So if you get the object with the verb is transitive. The verb is transitive, or in short you can say, if you have to find whether the verb is transitive or intransitive, you will just simply ask the question who or what to the verb. आप verb से question पूछेंगे who or what. So if you get the answer, the verb is transitive, and if you do not get the answer, the verb is intransitive. See the next sentence. Aksar played football. The verb is played. This is the verb. Now we will ask the question, played what? The answer is football, right? This is the object. So if we are getting the answer who or what, that is the answer is football. The verb is transitive again. This is transitive verb, right? Next sentence. The peacock dances beautifully. The verb is dances. This is the verb here. Now ask the question again. What? Dances what? You will not get the answer in this sentence. The peacock dances beautifully. See, this beautifully, it is an adverb because it is expressing the verb. It is explaining the verb. How the peacock dances. It is dancing beautifully, right? It is an adverb. So, you will not get the answer of who or what. Dances what? You will not get the answer. Dances who? Again the question is irrelevant. So this verb, this particular verb, dances, this is intransitive. This is the only difference between transitive and intransitive verb. You will just have to ask the question whether it is what or who. If you get the answer, it is transitive, and if you do not get the answer, it is intransitive. This is very simple. Now, how far we have to walk? The verb is walk here. Walk is the verb. It is an action. How far we have to walk? Walk what? No answer. Walk who? No answer. Again, this is intransitive. Now, I have given you two examples of transitive verb and two examples of intransitive verb. Let's move on. Now, there are some verbs which are sometimes transitive and sometimes intransitive. Read these sentences. Amar sang many beautiful bhajans. Amar sang while his father played the violin. See, the verb here is sang. In both the sentences, the verb is sang. But the difference is, first you will ask the question to this sentence, right? The question is, what? Sang what? Sang beautiful bhajans, right? Sang beautiful bhajans. I am getting my answer for what? क्या गा रहे हैं? भजन, right? And इसमें क्या होगा? Amar sang while his father played the violin. Ask the question again. What? Sang what? If you are getting the answer, no. Sang who? Again, I am not getting the answer. So in this case, the first sentence, The sang verb, this is transitive, and this sang, this is intransitive. Now, to summarize this, we can say there are two differences between transitive and intransitive verbs. First one is transitive verb always takes an object, and intransitive verb it does not take an object. Like in the examples you can see, जैसे कि हमने अभी पढ़ा था, this is verb, this is object. Now in transitive verb there is always an object. That is why it is answering the question who or what. As simple as that. And in this intransitive verb there is no such object. कोई भी आपको यहाँ पर object देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. Object, to clarify, what are object? Which is having the direct impact of the verb. जिस चीज़ पे verb का डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट पड़ता है, दैट मीन्स एक्शन रिसीवर जिसको हम बोलते हैं वो उसको बोलते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट. दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में देर इज ऑलवेज एन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इन इनट्रांजिटिव वर्ब देर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट. एंड द सेकेंड डिफरेंस इज इट गिव्स आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन हु और व्हाट. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिलेगा. हु और व्हाट जब आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो आपको इसका आंसर मिलेगा. एंड इन इनट्रांजिटिव केस आपको इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज यहाँ पर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन फर्दर. Before proceeding, I would like to request, if you are new to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe. Now, we will practice this topic with few sentences. I have written few sentences here. We will write whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. So, the question is, write whether the verbs in red are transitive or intransitive. First sentence is, the Mehras sold their house last month. The verb is sold. It is already in red. Now you have to tell whether this verb is transitive or intransitive. See, ask the question again. To the verb only, right? To the verb only. Sold what? Sold their house. Yes, the question is sold what? And the answer is sold their house. In case we are getting the answer, this is transitive, right? Sold is transitive verb, right? Next. The little girl smiled in a charming way. Smiled is the verb. Now ask the question, who? Smiled who? No answer. Smiled what? We are getting no answer. And moreover, the sentence itself, if we stop this sentence here, let's see, if I put a full stop here, the sentence will be, the little girl smiled. This sentence is already making a sense. अगर यहाँ पर जो सेंटेंस है एक सेंस ऑलरेडी मीन्स उसका एक मीनिंग है, तो वो उस केस में भी इनट्रांजिटिव हो जाता है. जैसे अगर इस केस में मैं बोलूँ द मेहरा सोल्ड, अगर मैं यहाँ पर फुल स्टॉप लगा दूँ, देन दिस सेंटेंस इट विल नॉट मेक एनी सेंस. इसके कोई भी मीनिंग नहीं रहेगा. तो दैट मीन्स दिस वर्ब नीड्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट. इस वर्ब को एक ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत है ताकि ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो सके. बट इस केस में इस वर्ब को किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. दैट इज़ वाई दिस स्माइल इट इज़ एन intransitive verb. I hope it is clear. Next sentence, we had a great time on the cruise. Had is the verb. Had what? Had a great time. This is transitive because it is answering the question. Again, if we stop here, we had. This sentence is incomplete, right? So we will need an object to complete this sentence, and if we are needing the object, the verb is transitive. Next, Bahadur left his office early today. Again, left. Left what? Left his office. So the verb is transitive. Can I leave now? Asked Mahi. This is a question. The verb is leave, right? Leave is the verb. Now ask the question. Leave what? Can I leave? If we stop here, the sentence is already making a sense, right? यहाँ पे एक सेंस बन रहा है एंड इसको किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. सो दिस वर्ब विल बी intransitive. The teacher gave us our grades. Gave what? Gave us grades. So this gave is transitive. Next, Catherine left for Paris 2 days ago. Left what? Left for Paris. This is not the answer for what, right? Left for Paris. So in this case, this is intransitive. Meena answered all the questions in the test. Answered what? Answered all the questions. It is having the ऑब्जेक्ट जिस पे इस वर्ब का इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है, दैट मीन्स द रिसीवर. रिसीवर क्या है यहाँ पे? क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चंस के आंसर, दिस आंसर इज द वर्ब एंड दिस आंसर विल बी द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. So this is all for today. I will meet you in next class. Till then, bye bye and thank you so much for watching my video.